Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mendaboy Studio. So this video is all about converting pictures to 3D model, which I'm going to break down in step by step so you guys can understand. So basically, first of all, this website I'm using is Hyper3D, hyper3dai.com. I'm going to put the link in the description below. So basically, first of all, what we're going to do now is to press this plus icon. So I'm going to do mine now, but my file is not going to show, so I'm just going to import mine directly. So now I've imported my bed image. So after that, I'm going to press generate. So it's going to take a while before generate, so I'm going to skip it so not to waste our time. As you can see, it's preparing the model already for us. So now let me just scroll down so you can see some of their models they did on the website. So these are some of their models here. As you can see, they have a lot. So back to our own model page. Just have to wait for like a few seconds. It's going to take a while, but let's just wait. So I'm going to skip it. I'm going to skip it now. In 3, 2, 1, just skip. Okay, finally we got here. So as you can see now, this is the pop-up it brought. So you have to follow the direction that's given to you here. So after that, press done. Then look, I read all the words here, read everything. So as you can see now, this is our bed image. So as you can see from picture now, see, generated the 3D model for me, and it's looking nice. So from here now, let's go and download it. So when I press confirm, it's going to generate it for a while. I'm going to skip it again, not skip it out, so it's not waste our time. So now as you can see now, we can either download it in OBJ, FBX, and then GLB, but I'm going to use GLB because I love this download. So now this, what we downloaded now, is just the mesh only. But if you want to download the texture and everything, see, just press generate. So it's going to generate texture for you. So you click on generate. See, it's going to say face restore and everything. So you press enable. So it's going to generate it for you. So I skipped the process of what was waiting again. So now confirm. As you can see now, it has generated the texture for us, and it's looking nice. So look at it. See, it's looking nice. It's still a little bit clean. So now all you have to do now is just press confirm and then download it. So it's going to take a while for you to download. Okay, let's just wait for it to download. So now there is a 2K and a 4K resolution, but it's until when you subscribe, that's when you're going to have a 4K resolution. So I think it's downloading already, and it's packing all our resources for us to download. So I'm just going to close this app now and then go to Blender and import the file because it has downloaded already. So now moving on to Blender. So this is the Blender screen layout. So I'm just going to import the file directly now. So I'm going to press file, import, then GLB. My own files are going to show because some of my files are private, so I'm just going to remove it and then import it directly. Incoming. Okay. So when I downloaded it, it gave me two. It gave me one in GLB and one in SLT. So now there are two models there. As you can see, one is darker and the other one is lighter. So you just have to choose between the two, or which one is more favorable for you. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.